The massive scale of oral care industries relies on a complex supply chain, beginning with the vital process of bone preparation.
What do animal bones have to do with your toothpaste? This shocking connection is worth over $50 million annually.
Receiving ensures all bone materials match the certificates of origin before weighing and quality control inspection.
Whiteness levels look good on this batch, meeting food-grade standards.
Confirmed. Parameters are within spec.
We're showing 900 degrees Celsius on the thermal sensors.
Confirmed. The carbonization rate looks optimal.
Acrylic stains. The automated system cools the char from 900 degrees Celsius to 100 Celsius in a rapid time lapse.
The bone char is pulverized in an industrial ball mill. Particle size analysis equipment measures the fineness before.
Sample collected. Checking the fluoride levels now.
Analysis complete. We are precisely at 1450 ppm.
The color dispersion is uniform. How is the flavor profile holding up?
It tastes consistent with the target mint formulation.
Our innovation in oral care technology focuses on developing futuristic solutions, from enamel strengthening to advanced whitening compounds.
Through green manufacturing and sustainable packaging, we've reduced our carbon footprint.
Our sneezing. Adhering to strict pharmaceutical standards, we maintain ISO 22762 GMP and
This expansion secures our market leadership, and these prototypes will define the industry for decades.
It is a bright future for everyone.